Hi guys, in the video I will show you how to use this feature, automatically share articles on Facebook. First open up the NKTK software. So this is the interface of the software. This software will help you manage a lot of different Facebook accounts so that you can use it to go share articles. To share the article, we need to have content share. And you will choose, then here I will try a very nice feature. It said I'm going to share an article in a group, in another group. Tick app. Now I'm going to find any group. Let's take this example. This is any group. Now I want to share an article in here into another group. So how do I do that? Well, first I'll choose an article. Who knows, there's no connection. Let me get the latest article. For example, this is an article. First I will take the link of that article. I'll copy the link to that article. Then I'll convert it to AUID. You're welcome. Guys, wait a minute. This will change your link to UI. After getting Wi-Fi like this, I will enter the feature. Shared article. I will choose to share the post. I'm going to do a configuration script here. I'll leave a space between the shares here, that's 5 to 10 seconds. I'll enter the contents of that article here. Enter the ID I just scanned the article into. After entering it, I choose to share it. Group or share on a personal wall. Or share it personal page. On the page. Then choose this, I choose the group, and here we will have. How many times will each account share? And how many times will each post ID be shared? Each account will share how many posts. For example, I will only share this once and I'll share it inside. I wish you health. Share post, I'll share it twice in the group. If you like it, you can put it there. Release emotions before you share, or our friends, maybe a comment. Content, and if I'm here, I just choose this. And I'm going to choose not to share the same group. Now let me get the group I want to share. I'll use the tool. This is so I can scan out the group's potential that I'd like to share. Or groups that's what I'm building. For example, I take any business group. Also in the field of crypto. I'm going to choose a real club. Public group. Only a few members. So here's an example of a group. I want to share my post in this group. That I'd have to get the code for the group first. I took the link to this group. I put it here. To convert it to UID, let's start again. Just wait, it gets the link, gives you the. You get this group code. Please enter here. Here's a group, I'll add another group. This will be in this group. You can absolutely be. Add another link to it, here it is. And it will be sent to you. But actually, it's not dead. That means I got the group, not in my group, man. I tap RANLBO, accept those members. And I invited her into that group. So here I'm going to get this group code. Press on, so these are the two groups that I want to share. This article just came into the group. Check the box and we'll check the article. So this is the post I just wrote. There was no share. That's enough. Here all my settings are configured. Now I will choose all my Facebook accounts to post. You are here, you can choose. There are many different Facebook accounts. I will choose an account. I gave it to share. Here I choose this account. And this account I started. And it'll automatically log into your Facebook and account. Share it for you. Just sit and wait. Meanwhile, you can go to work other jobs. And let it automatically share to you. Will be a successful post. And wait for it to share a second time to another group. Now it's at a group car. This will save the post history for you. And you will be here, you will find to write today. Let you see. This post is the two articles that have been shared. Now we will, the original reload is not there. There is no AI sharing this. I will reload, check it out. So here it is, there were two shares. Maybe it was stop the fact that you share. Well, let's look at the shared post here. You can copy this link. If you can see it. This is the article. To check more clearly, then we'll go to the account manager. And this is the account I just shared. And I'm going to log into it to check the history he shared. Millet. If you open it up here, you can go to the processes you just did here will have some. Your posts and comments are here. This is the article you've just shared in this community. It showed up in the group and in the public sphere. Then you can check it here. That's how it worked. Here, and you have posted that post. Put that article in the group. This is how you can share. It's automatic, you can use it here. Lots of Facebook accounts different like this in the system, so that you can be logged in and used. You can totally manage it like this. Will automatically log into your account. All of these accounts, you can be active and use it to work on behalf of an employee. They go share daily articles. You can use this software to do the same. Use multiple accounts to share at the same time article that you've posted in various groups. From there to help you. Your brand reaches out to be reached with more people. So this is the end of my video. Well, if you have any questions, please text me through the information I put in the section description. They will help you use the software. Hello and see you later.